Space rail is a suit toy which could be assembled freedom with its space, shaft and rail. The steel ball could run on the two lines, sometimes snail and sometimes scour. It is for adult playing indoor. Packet sniffing is the practice of gathering, collecting, and logging some or all packets that pass through a computer network, regardless of how the packet is addressed. Here, I will discuss one real-life example of astonishing use of networking in a business that has been successfully functional for a little over 125 years in the city of Mumbai, India. One component is the HDFS file system, to which a large data set is fed, and it slices the data into equal chunks and distributes each of these to a machine running within the cluster. The mapper is then used to generate key-value pairs by using hashing functions, after which these smaller datasets are processed individually. The computations, sorting and aggregation operations are performed between the mapper and reducer, and the results are written to a GFS file system. This phase is called the sort and shuffle phase. This is a study of the Mumbai Dawalas and their business model using for computer network. Shiny is an R package that makes it easy to build interactive web apps straight from R. You can host standalone apps on a web page or embed them in R Markdown documents or build dashboards. You can also extend your Shiny apps with CSS themes, HTML widgets, and JavaScript actions. The Real-Time Streaming Protocol, RTSP, is a network control protocol designed for use in entertainment and communications systems to control streaming media servers. The protocol is used for establishing and controlling media sessions between endpoints. Clients of media servers issue VHS-style commands, such as play, record and pause, to facilitate real-time control of the media streaming from the server to a client, video on demand, or from a client to the server, voice recording. It provides means for choosing delivery channels, such as UDP, multicast UDP and TCP, and delivery mechanisms based upon RTP. RTP is typically run on top of UDP to make use of its multiplexing and checksum functions. TCP and UDP are two most commonly used transport protocols on the Internet. TCP provides a connection-oriented and reliable flow between two hosts, while UDP provides a connectionless but unreliable datagram service over the network. UDP was chosen as the target transport protocol for RTP because of two reasons. First, RTP is primarily designed for multicast. The connection-oriented TCP does not scale well and therefore is not suitable. Second, for real-time data, reliability is not as important as timely delivery. In this way, every packet, or a defined subset of packets, may be gathered for further analysis and use for network analysis in computer network research. Network simulation is a technique whereby a software program models the behavior of a network by calculating the interaction between the different network entities, routers, switches, nodes, access points, links, etc. Consider the following networking and suppose that the link I could fail with probability chi. Let C be the event that the networking is okay. Let Q1 equals 0.015, Q2 equals 0.005, and Q3 equals 0.001. Please perform a simulation by R or Python to estimate the probability of C given link I does not fail, that is, PC vertical bar link I is okay. As the figure 1, L equals link 1 or link 2, and link 3. Let the transmission success be 1, and the transmission failure is 0. And the probability of link 1 transmission failure is 0.015. Link 2 is 0.005 and link 3 is 0.001. So the probability that link 1 has 0.085 is 1. The probability that link 2 has 0.090 is 1, and the probability that link 3 has 0.095 is 1. Record 10,000 results in an array and draw a function image. There are many homework and practical for students in this course. They can implement their code into real projects and learn more things about the computer networks. The objective of this course is provide more knowledge to students about computer networks.